In the boardroom, the traditional enterprise resource planning system is perfect. It promises to centralize every facet of your business, like finance, HR, and supply chain, to provide you with a single source of information, optimizing efficiency and driving growth. Consequently, companies spend millions on it, and on paper, it all looks flawless. But then there's Dave. Dave is 40 kilometers away from the nearest office, trying to fix a transformer 15 feet off the ground. And that million-dollar software his company installed, it just asked him for a 16-digit cost center code, all before he can even log that he's arrived on site. When these million-dollar systems reach the field, something changes. These legacy systems begin to crack, which leads to the creation of the field gap between HQ and on-ground realities, a disconnect between what your system thinks is happening versus what is actually happening on the site. In legacy systems, data moves in batches. A stockout happens at 10 a.m., but the system isn't updated until a manual count at 6 p.m. For 8 hours, your digital storefront is blind. At that point, you aren't running a real-time business. You're reading a history book. Legacy ERPs rely on trust-based data. A staff member checks a box that says order received or shelf restocked, along with the relevant signatures. But there is no context, no proof of the work actually done. So why not just customize your ERP? Customizations in legacy systems become challenging since they are rigid and hard-coded. Changing a single workflow to accommodate a new feature process can take up to 6 months of IT development and thousands in fees. This is where Field Mobi comes in. It acts as an adaptive layer, sitting alongside your existing ERP system, and provides a flexible interface that your team can use on their mobile devices to shift from trust to verifiable fact. Every sales order, stock movement, or display audit has its digital footprint, a GPS coordinate, a high-resolution photo, and a timestamp. It feeds the central ERP with the structured data it needs, while giving your field teams a high-speed tool that is actually beneficial for them. By integrating Field Mobi with your existing ERP system, you can transform operational decision-making from a guessing game into precision science. Field Mobi, bridging the field gap with AI customizable, field-focused ERP.